The 100 most useful English words, A1 to A2.
You'll learn how to use these everyday words in casual, real sentences, so speaking feels easier and listening feels smoother.
Quick format. Tiny examples, mini dialogues, and short repeat out loud moments you can copy instantly.
We're sticking to everyday life. Friends, family, neighbors, stores, and simple plans.
If you're enjoying the podcast, subscribe and like the video. It helps a lot. Thanks in advance.
Word 1. Just. It means only, just a second, or a moment ago. I just got home.
And just softens requests. Can you just text me? Try it. Can you just wait a second?
Next, really. It can mean very. I'm really tired. Or surprise. Really?
Quick reaction line. Really? No way. Repeat it once.
Micro practice. I really like it. Now, I really need it.
Now. Get. I got a text. Receive. I got coffee. Buy. I got tired. Become. I got home. Arrive.
I get it means I understand, and I'll get it can mean I'll grab it.
Do you get it? Then, yeah, I get it.
Next, make. Make dinner, make a plan, make sense. That last one is everywhere.
If you're confused, that doesn't make sense. Or, it's not making sense to me.
Small word. Still. I'm still working. Are you still there? Meaning until now.
For plans, are you still coming? Super normal.
Add actually to correct gently. Actually, it's Tuesday, or I actually like it.
Don't overuse actually. Save it for real clarification.
Softeners. Maybe, kind of, a little. They keep you relaxed, not extreme.
Try. Maybe later. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe I can.
Now, need and want. I need to go. Do you want some? 2 daily essentials.
And help. Can you help me? I need help. Thanks for your help.
Listening trick. Catch key words. If you hear need and now, you already know the main point.
Do you have time? Yes, I have a moment.
Good answers. A little, not right now, maybe later.
Right has 3 uses. Right now, that's right. Right? Try. It's cold today, right?
And to pause politely. Hold on, or give me a second. Easy, natural.
Now, we'll slow down and connect the dots. These top A1, A2 words matter because they fit into a few everyday frames. We'll get comfortable with I need, I don't want, do you have, and can you. You can build tons of sentences without searching for fancy vocabulary. That's the fastest path to clear, confident, casual English.
Let's use have in real lines. I have time. I don't have time. Do you have time? Now add 2 words that sound very natural. I don't have time right now. Sorry. That's polite, clear, and useful in 100 situations.
Thing is a lifesaver when you don't know the perfect noun. One thing at a time calms the moment. And the thing is helps you explain. The thing is, I can't today. It buys you time to think, and it sounds normal in casual conversation.
Tiny story. I couldn't find my phone. I said I had it a minute ago. Then where did I put it? Those are simple words, but it's real life. Practicing real-life sentences is high-impact learning because you can picture the scene and feel the meaning.
Here and there give instant clarity. Put it here means close to me. Put it there means not close. And I'm here can mean I arrived. If you're meeting someone, that line is simple and perfect.
This and that also work for ideas. That's great is a quick reaction. That's fine often means no problem. If you're choosing, this one and that one are easy. These tiny words keep you moving when your vocabulary feels limited.
Connect your sentences with so and because. I'm tired, so I'm going to sleep is simple and complete. I can't go because I'm busy is also complete. A short reason makes your English feel finished, and it reduces confusion for the listener.
Speaking challenge. Finish these with your own reason. I'm staying home because. Finish it. I need to leave because. Finish it. Keep it short and true. This is how you build real speaking speed with basic words.
Can is your daily tool for requests. Can you repeat that? Can you help me? Can I sit here? If you want softer, could works too, but don't get stuck. Clear can already sounds normal and friendly in everyday English.
Now, some and any in real use. Offers often use some. Want some water? Questions and negatives often use any. Do you have any cash? I don't have any time. What matters most is confidence and clarity, not perfect rules.
Polite lines are high value. Sorry I'm late. Excuse me, can I ask you something? Please wait a second. Thanks, I appreciate it. These work in daily life and help you sound respectful without needing advanced vocabulary.
Mini plan conversation. Are you free later? Maybe. What's up? I need help with one thing. That's real English with basic words. If you memorize the whole exchange, you'll be surprised how often you can reuse it.
When you don't understand, use rescue phrases. Sorry, what? Can you say that again? What does that mean? These keep the conversation alive, and they make people slow down in a helpful way.
Give and take show up everywhere. Give me a second means wait. Take a seat means sit down. Take your time means no rush. Learn these as chunks, and you'll recognize them faster when listening.
Repeat drill. Take your time. take a seat, take it easy. Then add, no worries, take your time. That sounds warm and natural, and it's made of basic words you can use today.
Now, look, see, watch. Look at this is direct. Oh, I see means you understand. Watch out is a warning. If you want one easy reaction, I see is perfect because it keeps the other person talking.
Time words help you plan. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, next, last. Try not today, maybe tomorrow. Or I was busy yesterday. If you mean time, last week is usually the simplest choice.
Now, good and bad become more natural with small add-ons. Pretty good, really good, not bad. And not bad often means good in casual talk. If someone asks, how was it? You can answer, not bad.
Emotion words you'll use a lot. Happy, sad, mad, tired, fine. If you want friendly, I'm good or I'm doing okay can sound warmer than I'm fine. These little choices help your conversations feel smoother.
I think versus I know. I think is for opinions. I know is for facts. If you're unsure, start with I think and soften with maybe. I think maybe we should go later. It sounds honest and relaxed.
Mini practice. I think it's too much. I don't know. I don't know, maybe. These short lines help you respond quickly in real situations, like shopping, planning, or texting.
Back is a top word. I'll be back, return. Give it back, return it. In the back, a location. One simple word covers a lot, which is why basic vocabulary can feel powerful when you use it naturally.
Again helps when you need a repeat. Again? Can you say that again? Let's try again. If you're nervous, this word gives you another chance without making the moment awkward.
Go plus place words covers a lot. Go home, go to the store, go to the park. And have to is super common. I have to go. It's simple, casual, and useful every single day.
Put is everywhere. Put it here. Put it back. Put it on the table. Practice 2 lines. Put it in the bag. Put it on the chair. Real-life sentences. Easy words.
Quick challenge. You're late? Say, sorry, I'm late. You're confused? Say, sorry, what does that mean? You need help? Say, can you help me? If these are automatic, you can handle a lot of daily conversations comfortably.
Let's add a super common word, just, with one. People say, just one more, just 1 second, just one thing. It's friendly and sounds natural. Try 2 lines, just 1 second, just 1 more minute.
And one pairs with more a lot. One more is useful for food, time, or attempts. One more try, one more question, one more slice. It keeps things casual and not too serious.
Now maybe plus a suggestion is great for plans. Maybe we can meet later. Maybe we can do it tomorrow. If you're not sure, maybe is honest. and it keeps the mood light.
Let's practice too and very in simple ways. It's too loud. It's too much. It's very good. It's very cold. Those are tiny upgrades that make your meaning clearer right away.
A common daily word is still with not. I'm still not ready. It's still not working. This is perfect when something is taking longer than you expected. It sounds natural and calm.
Try a quick store moment. You can say, I'll take it. Or if you're deciding, I'll think about it. Both are polite and common, and they save you from long explanations.
Let's do a two-line listening practice. Imagine you hear, "Do you want anything?" The key words are want and anything. A simple answer is, "No, I'm good." Or, "Yeah, just water." Short answers are normal.
Another helpful word is same. If someone says, I'm tired, you can say, same, or same here. It's casual and friendly, and it shows connection with almost no effort.
And maybe can also be a polite no. If someone invites you and you can't, you can say, maybe another time. It's gentle and it keeps the relationship warm.
Last quick drill before we wrap. Repeat 3 short chunks. I don't have time. Not right now. Maybe later. If those feel easy, you're building real-life fluency with the most useful words.
Final summary. Focus on patterns, not perfection. Build short, reusable chunks with basic verbs. Add tiny softeners like just and a sec, and keep rescue phrases ready. That's how you sound clear, relaxed, and natural with A1 to A2 vocabulary.
Where are you listening from? And what's one word from today that you want to use more this week? Leave it in the comments so we can build future episodes around your real life.
Thanks for listening. Subscribe for more casual English you can use every day.